Can you overmold the same material? Yes. The same material can be overmolded. Overmolding is a manufacturing process in which one material is injection molded over another material or component. It is often used to create products with multiple materials, or to add functionality or decorative elements to a product. While overmolding is typically used to mold one material over another, it is possible to overmold the same material. This process, known as co-molding or self-molding, involves injecting one material over another layer of the same material. There are several reasons why a manufacturer might choose to overmold the same material. Some of the main reasons include improved strength and durability. Overmolding the same material can add additional strength and durability to a product. For example, a manufacturer may choose to overmold a layer of the same material over a structural component to increase its load-bearing capacity. Aesthetic appeal. Overmolding the same material can be used to create a more aesthetically pleasing finish on the surface of a product. For example, a manufacturer may choose to overmold a layer of the same material with a different texture or finish, or color to create a more attractive appearance. Improved function. Overmolding the same material can be used to add functionality to a product. For example, a manufacturer may choose to overmold a layer of the same material with a different coefficient of friction to create a product with a non-slip surface. Cost effectiveness. In some cases, overmolding the same material may be more cost-effective than using a different material. For example, if the base material is already being used in the manufacturing process, it may be more cost-effective to use the same material for the oversold rather than purchasing a different material. There are a few different methods that can be used to overmold the same material, depending on the specific requirements of the product. 1. One common method is to use two separate injection molding machines, or two separate injection units, on the same machine, to inject the two layers of material. The first layer is injected and allowed to cool before the second layer is injected on top of it. 2. Another method is to use a single injection molding machine with a multi-cavity mold. In this case, the first layer of material is injected into one cavity, and then the second layer is injected into the adjacent cavity. The two cavities are connected, allowing the second layer to flow over the first layer and bond to it. Self-molding can be a challenging process, as it requires precise control and timing to ensure that the two layers of material bond together properly. It is important to carefully select the materials and design the mold to ensure that the overmolded product has the desired properties and meets the required performance standards. Conclusion. Overall, overmolding the same material can be a useful manufacturing technique in certain situations, allowing manufacturers to add additional layers of material for strength, durability, or aesthetic appeal. It is a complex process that requires careful planning and execution to ensure the production of high-quality, functional products.